EG hatches got a 1500. He said that my buddy was telling me that EG hatch right there got 1500 horsepower.
We've already seen a 7. We've already seen a front-wheel drive car run 7. Will we see it again? I sure hope so. Let's try one side of the 95 Honda Civic. Out of Fort Mill, South Carolina, going Arnold Young. Out of Newton, North Carolina, another 94 Civic. His race to lose goes 827 at 185 miles an hour.
That was great.
And Little Hunt car on the left side of the track.
Look at Brandon Martin over there. I see you, homie. I see you.
Is that a Saturn? Is that a Saturn?
No, that's a Dodge Neon. SRT. Far size EG hatch.
That's the one with the wind, right?
Yeah.
Harder exterior, Jared Dial left side, Brandon Cooley right side. Keep your eyeballs on Brandon Cooley on the right side of the track. I'm bringing Jared Dial on Facebook.
Gone.
Civic gets around you at the 8th mile, and it's all over 883, 174 for Brandon Cooley, and the turn on the wind line.
Yeah. He's not eliminated. He goes on to the next round. He's not. He goes on to the next round.
I kind of want the CRX to win, but I want the hatch to win too.
They tie.
BJ Civic.
You don't want that.
CRX. All I wanted was a CRX.
I got.
You have anything in the world, all you wanted was a CRX? Not been that guy. So the Civic is there.
CRX is flying though, boy.
168 miles an hour.
He jumped though.
This brings up
Red light. I think it's damn.
I'm sorry. Wrong import racer.
You see how mad that guy in the CRX was when he jumped?
He was fucking pissed. I had have been pissed too. He's eliminated on the simple fact. That sucks. That sucks.
He was scooting there.
Happy birthday, Whitty. I'm sorry we couldn't got a cute girl to sing to you. You just got me a day. Sorry.
He got a bye run.